Hello everyone, my
Halo
name is
semua,
Katerina and
saya
I'll be your
Katarina
online MC for this session.
dan
We are
saya akan
very
menjadi MC
happy to
untuk
welcome you
eh,
to class 6
acara ini. Selamat
with
datang
Geshe
kelas
Michael
ke
Roach.
kelas 6
This
bersama
class
Jesse
marks the
Nichols.
completion of the main teaching portion of this course and this is
Kelas
a
ini
precious
merupakan kelas
opportunity
terakhir
to listen,
untuk sesi
reflect and practice together.
dan ini
This
kesempatan
class
baik
is
untuk
also
belajar,
special
mendengarkan,
as
dan
it is
mempraktekkan
connected
bersama.
with Geshe Michael's upcoming birthday. So, as we begin, I propose let's take a gentle moment to feel
Sebelum kita
gratitude
mulai,
and rejoicing
mari kita
for this teaching and for
eh,
Geshe Michael's presence
mengungkapkan
with
rasa terima
us.
kasih kita
Before
dan
we begin,
kita segera akan
please
lulus.
select the language channel that feels right for you.
Anda bisa
Let's
memilih
begin
bahasa yang
and
Anda
be
mau
fully present. Welcome, dear
dan
Geshe
mari
Michael.
mendengarkan Jesse Michael.
Please stand up and let's welcome Geshe Michael.
Diminta untuk berdiri untuk menyambut Jesse Michael.
Okay, welcome back.
Selamat datang kembali. Saya baru saja ada wawancara untuk penerbitan buku Diamond Cutter yang baru.
And I want to show it to you. I'm very happy about it.
Nah, inilah bukunya, saya ingin tunjukkan.
And Sophie Chow.
Dan Sophie Chow yang membantu proses penerjemahan.
Ken also.
Dan Ken,
Thank you for that.
terima kasih.
I don't know which is more beautiful, the
Saya tidak tahu mana yang lebih indah.
Chinese edition, which also came out this week on my birthday.
Untuk edisi bahasa Cina yang juga merupakan hari ulang tahun saya. Jadi penyelenggara menjual buku ini di Cina.
Just keep them in your house. No, I'm just kidding. I like to give them to people. I don't make money.
Anda mungkin bisa menyimpan di rumah, tapi kalau saya lebih suka membagikannya
I
kepada.
think it's very, very nice gift to help people. Okay, so I encourage you to do it.
Jadi saya menyarankan supaya Anda semua beli dan membagi-bagikannya kepada sebagai hadiah.
All right. I think next picture. You ready?
Gambar selanjutnya, Anda siap?
We finished that one in the wrong class.
Kita sudah menyelesaikannya di kelas yang salah.
This is Tsongkhapa in the verse. He says
Ini adalah Tsongkhapa di dalam
about the
sutra ini.
mechanism of pain. Okay.
Mekanisme dari rasa sakit.
And it's talking about an idea called nyomong. Say nyomong.
Beliau bicara tentang
So this is klesha.
nyomong atau klesya.
Klesha means any
Artinya
rang gyundenki gansaki. Rang gyundenki gansaki shigyu mashiu chebe semjung semba.
Jasa Michael mengucapkan bahasa Tibet.
State of the mind which disturbs the peace of mind of the
Pergerakan
person.
dalam pikiran kita yang mengganggu ketenangan pikiran kita.
Klesha, or
Itu adalah definisi dari klesya.
And I won't see you until when?
Saya tidak akan ketemu Anda lagi sampai kapan?
Next time, I don't know.
Saya nggak tahu kapan ketemu kalian lagi. Mungkin bulan Maret.
Where?
Di mana?
Where?
Di mana?
Diamond Mountain? Oh, okay.
Oh, di Diamond
I'll see you at
Mountain.
Diamond Mountain.
Kalau gitu sampai ketemu di Diamond Mountain.
If I can trick Seiji, I'll come to China. I think
Kalau
Xi'an
saya
is-
bisa ngerjain Seiji, nanti bisa ketemu di Cina.
depends on the doctors.
Tergantung dokter sih.
But anyway, I want to
Tapi-
give you some homework.
Saya pengen kasih kalian PR sampai sampai kita ketemu lagi.
Here's the homework.
Ini PR-nya.
This picture is
Gambar
talking
ini.
about cycle of trouble, cycle of
Bicara tentang siklus permasalahan seperti mesin.
that machine.
Mesin
will
itu
cause trouble, okay?
menyebabkan Anda punya masalah. Jadi mesin masalah
Trouble machine. And
Mesin
it
buat
needs
masalah.
gasoline.
dan perlu
Gasoline
bensin.
is-
Bensinnya adalah
best gasoline for this machine
bensin terbaik untuk mesin ini adalah
okay?
pada saat orang lain mengganggu Anda.
You know.
Kalau ada orang lain yang membuat Anda kesal,
And they say something stupid.
mungkin mereka mengatakan sesuatu yang bodoh atau melakukan sesuatu yang bodoh.
You know, this is the fuel
Itu
that
adalah bahan bakarnya yang membuat mesin
makes
ini,
your life unhappy.
yang membuat
And
hidup
I
Anda
have
tidak
a
bahagia.
proposal.
Saya ada saran,
You can check yourself once a day.
mungkin
until
Anda
I see
bisa
you
melihat
again.
kehidupan Anda sendiri
Diamond Mountain,
setiap hari,
online from Diamond Mountain.
atau bisa secara online dengan menggunakan
I'm a
aplikasi
very,
Diamond
very,
Mountain.
very busy person.
Saya orang yang sangat
Very
sibuk
clear what I
karena
want
saya
to
sangat
do in
jelas
life.
apa yang saya ingin lakukan dalam hidup saya.
Things I want to do.
Ada
I
hal-hal
know
yang harus
they
saya
help
lakukan
people. I know they are
dan saya tahu itu akan membantu orang lain.
So I really know what I
Saya
need to do
benar-benar
with
tahu
my time. You know,
apa yang harus saya lakukan
day,
eh,
I have no
dalam
clue
waktu saya setiap
exactly what I
menitnya.
have to do.
Saya tahu dengan pasti apa yang harus saya lakukan untuk membantu orang lain.
And then
Saya harus melakukan hal-hal itu.
I can't waste time. You know,
Saya tidak bisa menyia-nyiakan waktu.
and it's very, very uncomfortable for an
Sangat
artist.
tidak menyenangkan
Time. And you have
buat seorang Arya untuk membuang-buang waktu.
really bad.
Kayak pergi ke kamar mandi dalam keadaan perutnya sakit banget.
Number two. Okay, it's like someone. If you lose time,
Kalau
when
Anda
you're
kehilangan
lying,
waktu,
you know you cannot get it back.
Anda tahu Anda tidak bisa mendapatkannya kembali.
And
Itu
I-
akan membuat Anda
I
gila.
don't know how to describe it to you, but it's
Saya tidak bisa menjabarkannya kepada Anda.
very, very uncomfortable for me to waste time. In
Sangat
any
tidak
way,
nyaman buat saya untuk menyia-nyiakan waktu.
hurts my chest. Something happens, and I feel really
Kalau ada sesuatu itu seperti
feel
eh,
terrible. You see?
membuat dada saya
I
sakit.
can't describe it.
Sulit untuk menjabarkannya.
You're in the same place, okay? We're all
Anda
in the
juga berada di tempat yang sama. Kita semua berada di tempat yang
same
sama.
time. On unlimited supply of time. I always think
Kita tidak
about
punya
today
persediaan waktu yang banyak.
they are in the jewelry business.
Ada orang-orang yang bekerja di bidang perhiasan di perusahaan.
And I was thinking, he now has $161 billion. Okay.
Dan perusahaan itu asetnya 160 miliar dolar.
Happened to Warren Buffett this year.
Apa yang terjadi dengan Warren Buffett hari ini?
Okay. Didn't
Karena
die
dia
yet.
mau pensiun.
Usually you retire and you die the next year or something. Okay.
Biasanya
Back
dia
to our
pensiun
time.
setahun sudahnya.
He
Tapi
ran
intinya waktunya udah habis.
wonderful man. You know,
Orang yang sangat baik,
he's a good person.
orang yang baik.
I respect him. And
Saya sangat menghormatinya.
he's a really cool person. But
Orang yang keren banget.
with
Tapi
$161 billion,
dengan uang
he
161
cannot buy
miliar
hours.
dolar,
He cannot
dia tidak bisa membeli waktu 1 menit pun.
Would you like
Kalau
to
Anda
buy
bertanya
2
kepada dia,
years of my time?
apakah kalau Anda mau membeli 2 tahun dari waktu saya,
Agree.
dia pasti mau.
He will agree.
Dia pasti mau.
Yeah, I'll pay anything.
Bahkan bisa sedia membayar berapapun.
Time, you see. We are
Saya punya uang, tapi saya tidak punya waktu.
the same.
Kita semua berada di tempat yang sama.
In this
Kita
life.
tidak punya cukup
You
waktu.
only have a little time, okay?
Kita hanya punya waktu sedikit sekali. Karena itu,
Therefore, if
Karena
you
itu,
find irritating people, I was gonna say asshole, but I
kalau
don't
Anda ketemu orang yang mengesalkan,
have children here.
saya tahu yang dirasakan karena ada orang yang punya anak di sini.
Just Ben.
Ben, ada yang namanya Ben punya anak di sini.
What I'm saying is, listen,
Yang dikatakan adalah
in your life,
dalam hidup Anda,
people
Anda akan ketemu
trouble, okay?
yang orang yang menyebabkan menimbulkan masalah dalam hidup Anda.
Meets people
Semua orang
day to day, hour to hour,
ketemu
who
orang
say something,
setiap jam,
do
setiap
something
hari.
which is wrong,
Ketemu orang yang
okay?
melakukan sesuatu hal yang
You start to
bodoh.
think, you know, oh, this person hurt me, or
Dan
this
Anda mulai
person-
berpikir orang ini mengganggu saya.
and then you are wasting your time.
Pada saat itu Anda menyia-nyiakan waktu Anda.
When
Saya
you
akan
think
ulangi,
someone
kalau
does
Anda
something,
memikirkan
someone does
seseorang yang melakukan sesuatu kepada Anda,
like, I don't like this
seorang yang
person,
melakukan
I don't like
sesuatu,
what they did. If I see them
Anda
today,
merasa Anda tidak menyukai apa yang mereka lakukan,
you make
dan
all
Anda
these
menggerutu,
plans in your heart, right?
dan kemudian Anda merencanakan sesuatu.
During those planning times,
Jadi pada saat Anda melakukan perencanaan sesuatu itu,
time,
Anda menyia-nyiakan waktu Anda.
then
Dan Anda
their
tidak
parents
bisa mendapatkan waktu itu kembali.
didn't say something bad to you. They didn't hurt you.
Mereka tidak mengatakan sesuatu yang buruk, mereka tidak melukai Anda, tapi mereka mencuri waktu Anda.
And you have control.
Padahal Anda punya kendali untuk semua itu.
Okay?
Anda bisa memutuskan.
And I ask you,
Saya minta Anda,
in
saya
Diamond Mountain, look at
sampai
this
kita ketemu lagi di Diamond Mountain.
trouble. This is
Itulah mesin pembuat masalah.
it's gasoline.
Bensinnya
People who bother you, okay?
adalah orang-orang yang mengganggu Anda,
People hurt you.
orang yang melukai Anda.
Say, sitting here as an Arya on his birthday,
Jadi ini dikatakan oleh seorang Arya yang sedang merayakan ulang tahunnya.
your life,
Diam,
and don't give them any time, okay?
lanjutkan hidup Anda. Jangan kasih waktu buat mereka. Itu adalah setan.
They'll be
Jadi,
so irritated.
mereka akan
Someone
membuat
tries
Anda
to waste
kesal.
your time.
Ada orang yang berusaha membuang waktu
You
Anda.
feel bad about somebody. You want to
Kalau Anda merasa buruk kepada tentang seseorang,
what you want to do.
Anda memikirkan apa yang mereka lakukan, Anda memikirkan apa yang Anda akan lakukan. Anda sedang menyia-nyiakan waktu.
Tell your mind, shut up.
Jadi bilang ke pikiran Anda, diam,
Something nice, okay?
dan pikirkan sesuatu yang bagus, yang baik.
Bagel shops, coffee shops, donut shops.
Ya, Anda bisa pergi ke kafe, ada yang jual bagel, ada yang jual kopi, ada yang jual teh. Lakukan sesuatu yang menyenangkan Anda.
Birthday present, okay?
Nah, jadi ini adalah hadiah dari ulang tahun saya.
Minutes
Jangan sia-siakan 5 menit dari waktu Anda
or some.
untuk orang yang sudah mengganggu Anda.
Please.
Tolong deh,
Say,
tolong.
let's forget it. Okay.
Lupakan saja.
Years you won't remember. in 2
Dalam
months,
2 tahun Anda tidak akan ingat
then you can
peristiwa
nominate
itu.
for today. Okay.
Kalau dalam 2 tahun Anda tidak bisa ingat, berarti hari ini pun Anda bisa melupakannya, tidak ingat lagi.
And then I say that's a excellent way to prepare for the next time we meet.
Dan itu adalah cara yang terbaik untuk bisa mempersiapkan dalam kehidupan Anda selanjutnya.
Open, okay? I'll repeat.
Saya akan
Someone is
ulangi.
bothering you. Someone
Ada orang mengganggu Anda,
make
menciptakan
it
masalah untuk
translate
Anda.
to mazal. You know mazal?
Saya akan minta Anda
Mazal is a
untuk
Jewish word. It means
mazal.
mazal, right?
Adalah bahasa Yahudi
And in the diamond business,
di dalam
we don't have
bisnis
contracts and we don't have lawyers.
berlian.
We don't know
Kita
how
tidak ada
to
kontrak.
when you make an agreement in
Jadi
business,
pada saat Anda membuat perjanjian dalam bisnis, Anda namanya mazal. Dan itu lebih baik daripada tanda tangan kontrak. Karena dengan kata-kata Anda, itu menjadi mazal. Artinya kontrak. Dalam 19 tahun berusaha di dunia perhiasan,
purchases of diamonds from my company.
Jesse Michael sudah melakukan 10.000 transaksi penjualan. Hanya satu yang melanggar janjinya, mazal. Hanya satu. Jadi mazal artinya saya berjanji. Janji dalam. Apa yang Anda janjikan? Kalau Anda terganggu oleh seseorang,
until the next time we meet, 3 months.
sampai 3 bulan lagi kita ketemu di Diamond Mountain.
Ready?
Ini adalah perjanjian. Anda harus tanda tangan di atas kertas. Tidak dalam 3 bulan ke depan. Kalau ada orang yang membuat Anda kesal, ada orang yang melukai perasaan Anda, Anda berjanji bahwa Anda tidak akan membuang-buang waktu Anda untuk memikirkannya.
You can move on now.
Jadi Anda tidak harus menunggu sampai 50 tahun, 100 tahun. Anda bisa melanjutkan hidup Anda sekarang.
On the count of
Oke?
3.
Janji ya.
Mazal. Okay, ready? 1,
Oke, kita melakukan mazal dalam hitungan 1, 2, 3. Mazal.
Okay.
Ya, ini jadi kayak kita mengucapkan
Yeah,
sumpah.
I like it. That's a good present. Okay.
Saya senang
Now,
sekali.
you'll forget.
Sekarang lupakan.
But try to remember sometimes, okay? And
Tapi
when
coba
you
ingat
start thinking
satu
about
waktu. Pada saat Anda mulai memikirkan seseorang yang mengganggu,
remember today, okay? Try to remember today.
ingat hari ini.
Did bother you. I'm not saying they
Mereka mengganggu Anda.
were
Saya tidak katakan mereka tidak
they didn't say
melakukan hal yang buruk.
they are bad to you.
Saya tidak akan bilang mereka tidak melakukan hal
Give
yang buruk.
them your precious life.
Tapi
give
jangan
them
berikan mereka hidup Anda yang berharga.
Move on right away.
Sekarang lanjutkan hidup Anda.
Okay, what's for breakfast? You know,
Jadi pikirkan apa yang Anda ingin dapatkan untuk sarapan
you
besok.
have that's your homework, okay?
Itu PR Anda ya.
Difficult kind of homework.
Itu PR yang paling sulit yang Anda simpan di kepala Anda.
Difficult. All right.
Sangat sulit.
Next picture, you guys.
Gambar selanjutnya.
Yeah, the AI did pretty good.
Ini gambar buatan AI.
She just heard there's no yuzu ice cream. You guys, nobody knows yuzu ice cream.
Orang ini tidak mendapatkan es krim.
Today we are discussing growing it at Dragon's Head.
Hari ini kita bicara tentang Growing Head yang tempat di Diamond Mountain.
It's more delicious.
Itu ada buah yang kayak buah naga,
There was a
tapi rasanya lebih enak.
I came to Japan and I had to eat American ice cream.
Dan
Okay.
Jesse Michael pergi ke Jepang tapi makan es krim buatan Amerika.
We can get out, but we have to
Ini
stay
dikatakan.
pretending everything is all right. Okay. So
Kita nggak bisa keluar, tapi kita harus berhenti berpura-pura bahwa semuanya baik-baik saja.
childhood, when I
Pada
was-
saat
I-
waktu
you
saya
know, I
kecil,
went to India when I was,
saya pergi ke India
17 or something like that.
sekitar waktu saya usia 17 tahun.
I went to study when I was 19 or something like that.
Eh,
I remember
mulai
having
belajar
a
ke
birthday in India.
usia 19.
And I never saw a dead person.
Saya tidak pernah melihat orang mati
When I was
dalam hidupnya
I never saw a
pada
dead
saat
person.
itu.
I know people die.
Saya tahu orang meninggal.
Lots of people die in the books. I read War and Peace. A lot of people died.
Saya baca berita, saya tahu orang
But I
banyak
never
yang
saw
meninggal.
anybody die.
Tapi saya nggak pernah melihat orang mati.
And in America,
Di
they
Amerika,
protect us. Our parents protect us
orang tua kita melindungi kita, anak muda,
to see a dead person. In
supaya tidak
fact,
melihat orang
John
mati.
Geshe, the blind one, when he died. I was eating lunch with him, and he died. He died like
Padahal
this.
waktu belajar di biara, gurunya dia meninggal pada saat sedang ngobrol.
Are you okay? And then finally, I just try to move his hand, and and I'm like, oh my God, he just died eating lunch with me. You know.
Jadi ada gurunya yang meninggal pada saat lagi makan siang bersama Jesse Michael.
And
Anda bisa
we
mati
don't
seperti
see
itu.
dead people.
Kita tidak melihat orang yang meninggal.
I told my teacher, I ran to the
Waktu
teacher's
di
house,
Amerika,
and I said that Geshe died, the blind Geshe died. And he said, well, what happens now? In America, the
dia
law says they have to be taken to the hospital immediately.
kalau di Amerika orang mati harus segera dibawa ke rumah sakit segera mungkin.
We're supposed to help them through the bardo, and it's illegal in America. They're supposed to go in the ambulance to the hospital. They will check them.
Harus kalau di Amerika harusnya
Certificate.
bawa ambulan untuk ke rumah sakit.
Law, it's very, you can
Itu
get in
adalah
big
undang-undang.
trouble.
Kalau kita melanggar itu kita dianggap melanggar hukum, bisa masuk penjara.
So anyway, my teacher said, I said they're going to take him to the hospital.
Jadi
And I said,
kata gurunya, nanti kita akan membawa si GC yang meninggal itu ke rumah sakit.
the bardo prayers. Do the
Tapi sebelumnya mereka melakukan doa bardo.
prayers for him. So we went to I went in the ambulance, and then we got
Jesse Michael mengantarkan jasad dengan ambulan.
and I said, can I sit with him for half an hour, 45 minutes?
Dan minta izin supaya bisa duduk bersama Jesse yang meninggal itu.
We have to
Terus
put him in the refrigerator,
kata ya petugasnya nggak boleh karena itu melanggar hukum, karena harus ditaruh di pendingin.
He has to go in the refrigerator.
Padahal Jesse Michael pengen melakukan doa bardo,
Big refrigerator, not
dan Jesse Michael akhirnya minta supaya dia bisa ikut masuk ke lemari pendinginnya itu,
anyway, I
ke
got a coat on.
kotak
and I
ke
sat,
kotak
I did
pendingin
the
itu.
bardo prayers, and
Jadi masuk ke dalam kotak pendingin bersama jasadnya dan kemudian melakukan doa bardo.
think
Tapi
about
hal itu
death.
membuat Jesse Michael berpikir,
Death in this
kita tidak
country.
melihat kematian di
Normally, we
negara
don't
ini.
see death.
Tidak, di Amerika kita tidak melihat
I
kematian.
remember the first dead person I saw.
Seingat
was in,
Jesse, beliau melihat orang meninggal itu
we call Hill Station, Mussoorie. It's in North India, in the Himalayas.
itu di Himalaya, ada tempat di India Utara.
People die.
Orang
they,
meninggal,
take the body somewhere. They
mereka membawa jasadnya.
of a taxi cab.
Jadi jasadnya diikat di atas taksi.
Tied on top of the car, and he's like,
Dan ada orang yang
what's
memeganginya.
wrong with that guy? Oh, he's dead. You know, what's happening? They're taking him to the funeral home, you know. I never saw a dead person, you know. I'm like,
Dan orang itu kemudian dibawa ke rumah pemakaman.
so I think as a Buddhist,
Sebagai seorang Buddha,
person, as
orang yang belajar lamrin,
baby,
cara hidup berlian,
you gotta think about your death, and you have
Anda harus memikirkan kematian
to be
Anda.
around dead people.
Anda bisa berada bersama orang-orang yang akan meninggal. Bukan hal yang
They're not
buruk.
gonna hurt you. They
Dan mereka tidak akan melukai Anda.
Okay, okay. You think they're dirty or something? They're just the same
Dan
as
Anda
you.
pikir
They're just-
mereka kotor.
okay, they're not dirty. They're just.
Mereka
dead.
tidak kotor. Mereka
So
hanya
sit
mati.
with them,
Jadi Anda bisa duduk bersama mereka.
and remember, you are going there. Okay.
Dan ingat bahwa Anda juga itu akan terjadi pada Anda.
Other people die, and they think
Melihat
they are different,
orang meninggal.
but they're not. Everybody
Dan
will be there. Everybody will be
setiap
there.
orang pasti akan tiba ke
There
sana.
will be a last person to die in this room. You know, somebody will die first. By the way, it's not necessarily me.
Akan ada orang yang meninggal terakhir di ruangan ini, tapi akan ada orang yang meninggal pertama.
There's no
Ada yang
Lord of Death.
ada yang muda duluan, ada yang tua belakangan. Tidak ada urutan.
No, okay, I'll take Geshe Michael. It doesn't work like that.
Ya,
Okay?
kita nggak
Young
bisa
people
memilih.
in accidents. The Allman Brothers band lost two brothers in two motorcycle accidents, and like they're 20 years old. It was
Ada pemain musik yang meninggal dalam kecelakaan.
we don't know. Okay.
Kita tidak tahu apa yang akan terjadi. Itu adalah bagian dari
Die.
kita tidak tahu kapan kita akan mati.
Steve Jobs meditation that we do in
Ada
DC.
meditasi Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs got cancer.
Steve Jobs kena kanker,
Which one? Pancreas? Yeah, he got
kena
cancer.
kanker
He
pankreas.
was one of the wealthiest people in the world. He gave a
Padahal dia salah satu orang paling kaya di dunia.
university. He gave the graduation talk at
Dan
Stanford.
dia memberikan ceramah sebelumnya di wisuda di Universitas Stanford.
He's a nice guy.
Orang yang sangat pintar, orang yang sangat baik.
What it was like to face his death. Okay.
Dan dia bicara tentang seperti apa menghadapi kematian.
He was pretty comfortable with dying. And
Dan
somebody
dia
said
merasa nyaman dengan kenyataan bahwa dia akan mati segera.
when I was in college, that when I brush my teeth, I tell myself I might die today. He said, today's
Dan dia melakukan meditasi di usia 20-an waktu sedang kuliah. Setiap pagi pada saat mensikat gigi, dia selalu bertanya pada diri sendiri, kalau saya mati hari ini, apa yang akan saya lakukan?
because it's so honest. Okay. Usually we are lying to ourselves. Oh, I won't die today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. I have dinner plans.
Kadang-kadang kita membohongi diri sendiri. Mungkin saya akan mati hari ini, enggak hari ini, mungkin besok.
To surprise people like that.
Tapi intinya kematian itu bisa mengejutkan
You're going on a
buat
trip,
setiap
pack
orang.
your bag today. Put the suitcase under your bed. Maybe you don't need it today. Maybe you need it in a month.
Kalau Anda tahu akan melakukan perjalanan, Anda packing sekarang, taruh di bawah tempat tidur. Anda tidak akan tahu kapan berangkat. Tapi setiap Anda harus berangkat, Anda siap. Ini bukan satu hal yang menyedihkan, bukan satu hal yang membuat Anda tertekan. Kita semua akan mati, kita harus siap-siap. Dan juga siapin surat wasiat. Sekarang Jasa Michael sedang bekerja dengan pengacara untuk menyiapkan surat wasiatnya. Karena itu membuat dia merasa lebih lega dan keluarganya juga lebih lega. Jadi keluarganya nanya apa yang dilakukan dengan para pengacara itu. Dan mereka bilang, aduh jangan lakukan itu kan sedih gitu. Tapi kita kan mau siap. Akhirnya mereka bisa menerima bahwa kita semua mau mempersiapkan diri. Dan itu tidak akan menyia-nyiakan waktu Anda. Meditasi kematian. Orang yang melakukan meditasi kematian, mereka adalah orang yang lebih bahagia. Karena mereka tidak berbohong pada diri sendiri. Mereka memberitahu yang sebenarnya. Orang yang jujur itu lebih bahagia.
Nah, that's not the next picture, is it?
Gambar
Oh,
selanjutnya.
sorry, you're right. I'm sorry. This guy's trying to figure out what keeps him in this suffering life. He's thinking.
Orang ini sedang berpikir, mencari tahu apa yang membuat dia terperangkap di dalam penderitaan hidupnya.
12 translators is translating all these books about the wheel
Itulah
of life.
sebabnya para penerjemah yang menerjemahkan 12 buku
He's
sedang
finished
memikirkan.
the book already about the wheel of life. Now
Ada yang sudah menerjemahkan Roda Kehidupan.
life, okay?
Ini kita sekarang bicara tentang Roda Kehidupan.
And Tsongkhapa says here,
Kata Tsongkhapa di buku ini,
know you're going to die. Now you
Anda
know
tahu
you're
Anda
going to
akan
die.
mati.
Try to think about why. Try to think
Sekarang
about
coba
why
pikirkan
you're going to
kenapa.
die.
Kenapa
It's
kita harus
because
mati?
you don't understand emptiness, okay?
Itu karena Anda tidak memahami kekosongan.
You don't think enough about emptiness, okay?
Karena Anda tidak cukup memikirkan tentang kekosongan.
Emptiness, you can
Kalau Anda
feel it.
memikirkan
People come up to me all day the last few days.
lebih banyak
Oh,
tentang
Krishna, I'm so
kekosongan,
sad. What? You have to die 7 more times. You have to die 7 billion times, okay? Okay. It's not
ada
so
orang yang
bad.
datang kepada Jesse Michael, aduh sayang sekali Jesse Michael, Anda harus mati 7 kali. Terus kata Jesse Michael, bukan seperti itu, kita harus mati 7 miliar kali.
The only way to stop that circle, the circle ends in death, right? Link number 12, 12 o'clock. They're carrying a
Salah
dead body.
satu cara untuk memotong siklus kehidupan seperti itu adalah
Don't understand how the
karena
happening. You don't understand how the
Anda tidak memahami bahwa bibit Anda
just
berbuah.
keep thinking about it.
Anda hanya memikirkannya terus.
When you meet this person who irritates you,
Kalau Anda ketemu
see if
orang yang
there's
membuat
any
Anda
pictures
kesal,
coming out of your head.
coba lihat apakah ada gambar yang keluar dari
By the way,
kepala
when
Anda.
you're emotional, you
Pada
cannot
saat
do
Anda
that.
emosi,
It's very interesting. If your mind is upset,
kalau pikiran Anda kesal,
you cannot have wisdom at that time. Okay.
Anda tidak bisa memiliki kebijaksanaan saat itu. Jadi lupakan aja orang-orang
There's a
itu.
very famous quotation that the Buddha stopped suffering, but they didn't stop all the assholes in the world. Okay.
Jadi ada pepatah yang mengatakan bahwa para Buddha berhenti menderita, tetapi orang-orang buruk itu tidak berhenti melakukan hal-hal buruk.
They just don't have to experience it. Okay. Got it?
Jadi hal-hal buruk masih tetap terjadi, tapi kita tidak perlu mengalaminya.
Even a Buddha cannot. You
Karena
cannot
Buddha
stop all
pun tidak bisa menghentikan hal-hal buruk
the
itu.
irritating, stupid people in the world. You cannot stop.
Orang yang mengesalkan,
So just relax
orang yang
and focus on your practice.
bikin kita kesal, itu tidak perlu diperhatikan.
Time to do both.
Fokus aja kepada hal-hal yang baik yang bibit baik yang ingin Anda tanam.
Don't have time to do both.
Karena
You can
kita tidak punya waktu
or you can
untuk itu.
do your Buddhist practice. But you
Pilihan kita cuma dua. Kita mau kesal atau kita mau mempraktekkan ajaran
choose which
Buddha.
one you're gonna do.
Anda harus memilih salah satu.
Did I say that? You don't have time to do both. Okay.
Karena Anda tidak punya waktu untuk melakukan keduanya.
I asked the AI.
Jesse Michael menggunakan AI.
For 6 hours in the morning. I don't. I talk with the AI. He's my best friend. I'm like, can you show 2 hands? Got it. Can you put chains on the hands? Yes.
Ya, Jesse Michael tidak mau menghabiskan waktunya, jadi dia menggunakan AI untuk menciptakan gambar ini. Gambarkan 2 tangan, ya. Gambarkan 2 tangan yang sedang dirantai, ya.
I don't know. My AI is maybe a reflection of me. So anyway, these represent the 2 causes of trouble in our life.
Ini mewakili 2 hal yang menyebabkan masalah di dalam hidup kita.
Okay. Klesha means
Klesya dan karma.
feeling bad about somebody else. Okay.
Klesya artinya merasa buruk tentang seseorang.
Any thought which bothers your own peace of mind is the definition of a klesha.
Klesya adalah apapun pikiran yang mengganggu pikiran Anda.
You are having some kind of klesha.
Jadi apapun yang Anda miliki sekarang, Anda sedang mengalami klesya.
One of the chains, okay? The
Itu
other
adalah satu
chain is the seed.
rantai, dan rantai yang satunya lagi adalah karma.
Seeds in your mind.
Ada miliaran bibit di dalam pikiran Anda.
You know, 10,000 lives ago, you killed somebody with
Mungkin 10.000 kehidupan yang lalu Anda membunuh seseorang.
and then earrings are gonna poke you for years and years, okay? And
Ya,
that's how you-
karena karmanya akan terus mengganggu Anda bertahun-tahun.
Klesha runs the show. Okay?
Ya, jadi
Now, the
klesya
reason
dan
why
karma
in the Lam Rim,
menciptakan kedua rantai.
every one of us
Di dalam
lots of
lakin
mental
dikatakan,
seeds, we have lots of karma, in
di
our
dalam pikiran kita
You can
banyak
say
karma
mental seed. In DCI,
atau bibit mental.
17 years ago,
Di DCI 17 tahun yang lalu, kami memutuskan kata bibit mental dan bukan karma, supaya tidak menimbulkan kesalahpahaman di berbagai negara. Jadi 17 tahun yang lalu kita memutuskan kita menggunakan istilah bibit mental. Walaupun itu adalah hal yang sama. Anda punya bi- bibit mental dan Anda punya kebiasaan mental yang buruk. Itulah sebabnya kedua tangan itu terantai bersama. Jadi Anda tidak bisa melakukan dua hal sekaligus. Anda nggak bisa garuk kepala dan garuk pantat sekaligus. Itu datang dari kehidupan Anda sebelumnya. Ada hal-hal yang Anda tidak bisa lakukan di kehidupan ini. Kebanyakan dari kita, karma dan pikiran buruk yang lahir bersama kita, itu akan mengendalikan kehidupan Anda. Itu menciptakan sesuatu dari pikiran Anda yang Anda dapatkan dari kehidupan sebelumnya. Banyak pikiran buruk, pikiran mental yang buruk. Dan di atasnya, Anda punya bibit-bibit buruk dari kehidupan sebelumnya. Artinya, ada istilah baru. Jadi Anda bayangkan Anda lagi main kartu, terus ada yang curang. Anda akan punya tubuh yang abadi. Dan Anda punya pikiran yang akan selalu kesal dari waktu ke waktu. Anda punya batasan dari keluarga, batasan dari budaya. Kita semua lahir dengan itu. Dan Anda harus kasih tahu pikiran Anda untuk diam. Saya tidak bisa mengucapkannya dalam bahasa Tibet, tapi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, diam.
I can only do 20 minutes. Oh, okay, you don't want to see emptiness. Shut up. Okay, you were born.
Jadi kita semua dilahirkan dengan batasan-batasan dalam pikiran kita. Dan sangat kuat sekali. Sehingga banyak orang yang hampir tidak punya harapan. Kita lahir dengan kekuatan di dalam pikiran kita yang hampir tidak mungkin dirubah. Yang dikatakan adalah kita tidak harus mengatasi bibit karma kita. Kita tidak berarti bahwa kita harus mengatasi emosi kita. Jadi kalau kita tidak punya alat yang kita bisa membantu mengatasi kedua hal itu, ya situasi Anda sangat buruk. Karena itu Anda dilahirkan dengan itu. Dan karena kedua rantai itu kesulitannya jadi double. Gambar selanjutnya. Biasa mereka bilang ke AI gambar teman-teman lama. Apakah ini orang tua, teman-teman lama? Karena dalam buku komentari Songkapa, beliau membuat daftar teman-teman lama. Dan saya akan mulai membuat daftar teman-teman lama itu untuk Anda. Nomor 1 adalah rasa iri, rasa cemburu. Karena Anda menyimpannya sangat lama di dalam pikiran Anda. Ada orang yang sukses, Anda merasa cemburu, merasa iri. Ada 9 jenis rasa iri. Ini topik yang sangat besar. Sangat menarik sekali untuk kita semua punya itu. Itu adalah satu masalah yang Anda dilahirkan dengan masalah tersebut. Nomor 2, itu disebut dengan rasa keraguan. Kalau di
We don't say doubt is a bad thing. We say stupid doubt.
Kita akan katakan itu adalah keraguan yang bodoh. Karena keraguan mungkin bukan hal yang buruk, tapi di sini adalah keraguan yang bodoh.
Good. Okay. $100. Yeah. Stupid doubt means I don't
Keraguan
know.
yang bodoh
Did you
artinya
do your book today? Did you write down
apakah
the
Anda
mistakes
melakukan
you did today? You know, did you write
three
them down
times
today
book,
6 times? That's a
enam
requirement.
six times
That is a
book?
requirement.
Apakah Anda melakukannya pagi ini?
Once a day today,
Eh,
write down
6 kali sehari
the mistakes you made.
Anda tulis
And
ke
then you're like, well,
kesalahan-kesalahan yang Anda
no.
lakukan, dan
And I
Anda
said,
bilang enggak.
why? I said, I'm
Kenapa?
not sure it will help, you know.
Dan Anda
Oh, I
bilang
said it.
Anda tidak
I
yakin
wasn't
itu akan
sure.
membantu.
Did you try to figure it out? No. I just don't feel like that. Okay. I just don't
Apakah
feel
Anda
like
mencoba
that is
memikirkannya?
stupid doubt,
Tidak.
okay?
Nah,
You
pokoknya
didn't spend
lagi
time
nggak
on
kepengen
it.
aja.
You didn't work on it. You didn't
Jadi
do
Anda
the
tidak
analysis.
mengerjakannya.
That's called stupid doubt.
Nah, itu yang disebut karena
Intelligent
Anda
doubt.
merasa tidak yakin itu membantu.
There's
Nah,
2
itu disebut dengan
students. They have
keraguan yang bodoh.
sorry, 3 students. And the teacher
Ada,
says, "Come to my room immediately."
ada 3 murid dan 1 guru, dan gurunya bilang, "Ayo datang ke
The 2
kamar
students
ruangan
went,
saya
and the teacher
segera."
said, and the
Dan
teacher says,
tiga muridnya
"Today,
datang
a
semuanya.
special project." What's the project?
Kemudian
You
gurunya
know,
bilang, hari ini ada proyek
I'm
khusus.
tired of being poor. I'm gonna ask my 3 students, please rob a bank today for me.
Dan
Okay?
gurunya bilang, saya capek jadi orang miskin, saya akan minta 3 murid saya untuk
I
merampok
want
bank
you
hari ini.
3 guys, you go out and rob a bank. Okay?
Jadi kepada
Got
3
it?
muridnya dia bilang,
Then
kalian coba
about
keluar sana dan merampok bank.
one guy just sit
Satu
there. And the teacher
satu
says,
murid
"You
bilang,
didn't hear me? I said you're
satu murid
supposed to
duduk aja di
rob
situ.
a bank, get me some money." And the
Eh,
student said, "You don't mean it. I think you
ya,
don't mean it." Okay? I
guru
believe
yang
you
bertanya,
don't
kenapa
mean
kamu
it.
nggak pergi merampok bank? Terus kata muridnya,
Okay?
saya rasa Anda
And then the
tidak
teacher said,
benar-benar bermaksud menyuruh saya itu.
yeah, the teacher said, I have one good student. You know,
Dan gurunya bilang, iya, akhirnya saya punya
that's
satu
a
murid
correct
yang
doubt.
baik.
That's
Nah,
correct
itu
doubt. Okay, someone tell you to do,
keraguan yang
even a
bagus.
teacher tell you to do something, and you
Jadi
don't
walaupun guru
believe
Anda
it,
menyuruh Anda
you should
melakukan
you
sesuatu,
should wait, and you
kalau
should
Anda
check.
meragukannya,
Okay,
Anda
there's
perlu
good doubt. So
menunggu
there's
dan
good doubt
kemudian
and bad doubt.
memastikannya.
Okay, bad doubt is you're too lazy to figure it out. Good doubt is I don't think
Jadi
that's what you want me to do.
keraguan yang bodoh itu Anda terlalu malas
Thank you
untuk
guys.
memikirkannya. Tapi keraguan yang baik,
Uh,
Anda
okay, some
mau
more offense.
memikirkannya.
Pride. Okay.
Kemudian
Pride.
yang ketiga itu adalah rasa bangga.
I have the best pride. I'm proud about my pride.
Saya orang terbaik dan saya merasa bangga dengan kebanggaan saya.
Yeah, I'm so great, you know. And really, in the end, Lamrim says you are
Di dalam
bug.
Lamrin
You are just
dikatakan,
Okay. I have this
dikatakan,
thing. So I'm gonna have this surgery. I think it's pretty serious. The survival rate is very high, 99.9 something.
Jesse Michael akan dioperasi dan kemungkinan keberhasilannya 99%.
It makes me think about death. And
Tapi itu membuat Jesse Michael berpikir tentang kematian.
we have a special thing in Arizona called red
Di
ants. Okay.
Di Arizona ada istilah kepala merah.
You can come to Dragon's Head, and we will, like Edmund did, and we'll let you stand in a red ant house, and they will crawl up your pants and bite your leg. One
Itu
red
ada
ant
kayak
bite your leg
serangga ya,
really hurts.
kepalanya merah.
Edmund had, I think, 12.
Itu di tempat belajar namanya Dragon Head, kepala naga yang di Diamond Mountain. Itu kadang-kadang orang suruh tidur terus bilang, biarin deh nanti digigit sama serangga kepala merah.
And then I feel pretty proud of myself.
Jesse Michael merasa sangat bangga karena pada saat mau ngambil mobilnya, dia jalan hati-hati di Diamond Mountain dan berusaha untuk tidak membunuh Itu semut kepala merah,
Guess I
semut
killed
merah.
like 100 or
Berusaha
something.
banget supaya dia tidak
I'm
membunuh
like,
semut
look,
merah.
you can't say I didn't try. You know, you're
Tapi
the
ternyata
guy
akhirannya
that
keinjak juga.
house in
Jadi dia bilang, saya bukannya nggak usaha loh.
you should put it in the backyard. There's no cars back there. Okay. Then I just feel like I'm a pretty good Buddhist. I didn't kill them. I didn't step on them. You know.
Jadi,
And
Jesse Michael merasa bangga bahwa dia tidak menginjak semut merah, tidak membunuh semut merah.
Okay.
Tapi semutnya itu masalah bersarang dekat mobil.
When I found out I probably will have this surgery.
Jadi
Then
pada
I'm
saat Jesse
thinking,
Michael
it's possible,
mendengar bahwa dia harus dioperasi,
very possible I will get in the car. I
sangat
will run
mungkin
over 100 ants.
akan naik mobil dan kemudian mobilnya ada kemungkinan akan melindas semut merah.
Somebody will make a boo-boo and I'll die. And because of my connection to the ants, I will be born as an ant before my wife gets back from the hospital to run over the ants.
Jadi karena karmanya bisa jadi
I'll
nanti
be like,
Jesse Michael akan lahir sebagai semut merah yang akan dilindas oleh mobil, dan mobil itu kemungkinan disetir oleh istrinya, tapi nggak. Jesse Michael berusaha banget supaya istrinya tidak melindasnya, tapi kan nggak, istrinya nggak lihat. Itu sangat mungkin terjadi. Jadi Anda harus berpikir tentang itu. Sangat mungkin.
The animals that you're eating now, the animals that you're killing now,
Jadi semut yang Anda
no guarantee you won't be there. Okay.
jadi tidak ada jaminan bahwa semut yang Anda lindas, semut yang tidak sengaja termakan oleh Anda, bahwa Anda tidak akan menjadi semut itu suatu kali.
I know you're tired. I know your mind already went home. Me too.
Coba dengarkan dulu. Mungkin Anda lelah, mungkin Anda udah pengen pulang,
Let's do 10
tapi
good minutes, okay? I
tapi
like this picture.
kita perlu bertahan 10 menit lagi untuk pelajaran yang sangat tinggi.
What does it feel like?
Seperti apa rasanya?
Talk about bodhisattvas, okay?
Sekarang kita bicara tentang bodhisattva. Semua orang tahu tentang bodhisattva.
heard the word bodhisattva.
Pernah mendengar kata bodhisattva?
When you see emptiness directly,
Pada saat Anda melihat kekosongan secara langsung,
what's happening inside your body? If you're a yoga teacher,
apa yang terjadi di dalam tubuh Anda kalau Anda seorang guru yoga?
called Yoga Studies Institute.
Ada Yoga Studies
In terms
Institute,
of your inner
YSI.
body, in terms of prana,
Prana di dalam tubuh Anda,
never get all of your prana into your jongmai, into your central channel. You
Anda
never.
tidak akan mendapatkan prana Anda di saluran tengah.
Okay, on the day you die,
Pada saat Anda mati,
goes into the jongmai. Okay, on the day you die.
pada saat Anda mati,
It never
uh,
goes in.
uh,
It never goes in.
energinya akan masuk ke saluran tengah.
Climax in sex.
Pada saat Anda melakukan hubungan seks,
Seconds.
pada saat Anda klimaks, kemungkinan salurannya akan berada di jalur tengah.
And you reach the point where the pee-pee comes out uncontrollably, poo-poo pee-pee comes out. That's just
ada titik-
after the prana went into the jongmai. Okay?
Jadi ada titik di mana Anda kencing secara tidak tertahan, Anda buang air secara tidak tertahan.
You do yoga exercise, okay?
Itu pada saat prana Anda ada di saluran tengah.
Do more
Itulah sebabnya Anda perlu melakukan yoga untuk memastikan bahwa
also learn how to put your chi,
prananya nanti berada di saluran tengah.
central channel, jongmai.
Karena Anda perlu belajar bagaimana cara menaruh energi Anda, prana Anda di saluran tengah.
World, okay?
Pada saat Anda menyentuh dunia bening
20 minutes.
selama 20 menit,
Touching the diamond world.
pada saat Anda menyentuh dunia bening secara langsung,
Chi is 100% in the jongmai, okay?
prananya berada di saluran tengah 100%.
In the central channel, 100%.
100% chi Anda akan berada di saluran tengah dan Anda merasakannya.
Something like that. Just before you see Kongxing, you feel that kind of electricity. And
Anda akan
then
merasakan setruman itu.
now something cool happens.
Ada sesuatu yang menarik terjadi.
For the rest of the day until you go to sleep, Most of the
untuk
cheese
sisa
sticks,
hari
don't mind. Most of
sampai
the
Anda
cheese sticks
tidur,
on the channel.
eh, Qi Anda,
That
pras
means
Anda akan tetap di saluran
for the
tengah.
rest of the day, which in my case was about 12 hours,
Kalau di pengalaman
you
Jesse
have
Michael itu
special
sekitar
ability
12 jam. Anda
because
punya
the
kemampuan
cheese is
khusus
moving in the central channel. You
pada
can
saat Qi Anda berada di saluran tengah.
directly. And in my case, it was funny story, okay?
Kalau dalam kejadian Jesse Michael itu agak lucu. Jesse Michael memutuskan untuk menjual mobilnya
To my teacher. I want to
karena
buy
ingin
that.
mempersembahkan berlian kepada gurunya.
And I went to sell the car.
Dan beliau
I still
menjual
put cheese
mobilnya.
in my
Masih ada Qi di saluran
so
tengah
I can
tubuhnya,
read people's mind.
jadi bisa membaca pikiran
Just
orang.
the one day, okay? Don't worry.
Hanya untuk satu hari itu aja, jangan khawatir.
Honestly, just that one day.
Hanya satu hari itu aja.
I was how old? I don't 22, something like that. I was 20 something.
Mungkin waktu itu usia 22 atau
I went to
26
the car dealer.
dan pergi ke dealer.
And it was a very beautiful sports car.
Ada
Teacher in university gave
ada mobil
it to me. When I
yang
went to
diberi
study for
yang
the teacher, he gave me his car.
jadi Jesse Michael dapat hadiah mobil sport yang keren dari gurunya,
Very similar to a Cayenne or Porsche.
kayak
And I
Porsche.
was really, then I didn't have any money, so I thought, oh, I'll go
Waktu itu
sell the
Jesse Michael
car.
nggak punya uang, jadi dia menjual mobilnya.
So I went to the car dealer. I drove the
Jadi
car
dia pergi ke
to the
dealer
car dealer. I
mobil,
didn't tell anybody. I didn't tell my teacher.
tidak
I
ngasih
didn't
tahu
tell my friends.
siapapun.
And I got out of the car, and the
Dan
guy's
keluar
like,
dari
"What do you
mobilnya.
want?" And I
Dan
said, "I wanna sell
yang
the car."
petugasnya
And
penjualnya nanya mau apa,
then I could
mau
hear
jual
his
mobil.
mind inside
Dan
his
kemudian
head.
Jesse Michael bisa mendengar pikirannya.
This guy looks a little bit stupid.
Orang ini kelihatan bodoh.
He says, "What do you do? What's your job?"
Orang itu tanya, emang kamu pekerjaannya apa gitu. Terus dan Jesse Michael bilang, saya tukang masak di gereja. Wah, terus Jesse Michael bisa mendengar pikiran orang itu. Wah, orang ini memang benar-benar bodoh. Jadi Jesse Michael mendengarkan apa yang ada di pikirannya. Dan dia mengatakan hal-hal yang mengganggu, sangat mengganggu. Orang ini kelihatan bodoh. Dia terus bertanya, berapa kamu mau ambil untuk mobil ini? Terus kata Jesse Michael, saya kan berapapun yang saya dapat. Dan orang itu bilang, kalau kita $100. Dan Jesse Michael cuma bilang iya. Dan orang itu dalam pikirannya seperti bilang, waduh, ini orang benar-benar bodoh. Dan benar-benar hoki banget gitu. Nah, padahal dengan uang itu Jesse Michael mau memberikan berlian buat gurunya. Tapi karena mobilnya udah dijual, Jesse Michael minta tumpangan untuk sampai ke kota. Internetnya bermasalah. Jesse Michaelnya freeze di sini. Mohon maaf, saya tidak bisa mendengar suara Jesse Michael. Ya, Jesse Michaelnya menghilang, mohon maaf.
Please do not worry. We are recording this part locally and we will make it up.
Jadi jangan khawatir karena kita merekam bagian ini, nanti Anda akan bisa melihatnya melalui platform rekaman Anda, rekamannya. Terima kasih atas kesabarannya.
Okay, you cannot count them because chi is still moving in you. Get some chi into
You're still
yourself.
having
By
some
this time,
trouble
it's maybe
here
Masa
with the
bermasalah.
it's maybe almost an hour since you
Yeah,
touched the diamond.
your
Since you
mic
began
can
to touch
hear
the diamond. It's maybe an
sounds
hour.
of it. Can you
Still
hear what
get
is
that
happening?
chi. Me personally, I was
Yes?
in a certain position when I touched the diamond room. Then I did some prostrations when I had to.
You can hear Geshe-la?
And then I went and sat
Okay, so I will mute myself
about
and you can hear Geshe-la.
10 feet away. I'll never forget.
Saya akan memberi
One day it will happen to you, okay? Because you are
ya
here,
itu akan terjadi pada Anda.
one day
Karena Anda berada di sini,
okay, okay.
Anda akan bisa menjadi bodhisattva.
Do this, okay?
Anda akan
I will
melakukan
step from
itu.
world to world.
Anda akan lompat dari satu planet ke planet lain.
I bless you for that. Okay?
Dan Geshe Michael memberi keberkahannya buat Anda.
Hey.
Oke. Kelihatannya malah sesi belum selesai.
Geshe Michael's 001, the most beautiful pen in this world. The winner is.
Giselle Lambert and Paul Lambert from
ada.
Austria. We thank you so much
Please
for your
come on
generosity.
the stage and Geshe-la will give that to you.
Michael akan memberi hadiah bolpen. Ada pemenang dari Austria. Oke, kelihatannya kelasnya sudah selesai ya. Jadi sempat tertunda karena ada masalah.
热烈的掌声。
Oke, kelasnya sudah selesai. Saya undur diri. Terima kasih atas perhatian.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, take a seat. Yes, yes, take a seat. To you, happy birthday to you. Birthday, dear Geshe-la. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday to you.
12月份过生日的同学来到台前。Whoever December is your birthday, come to the front of the stage.
Happy birthday to you.
So every year I try to travel to Kyoto on my birthday so I can get another cake because my wife will never give me cake. But I'm really, really grateful, and I feel very, very lucky to have so many good people, and it's a great honor for me to teach you. And you know, it's very hard to find people who want to hear about this thing. I honestly, it's hard to find those people. You are very rare people. You are very special people. You are one in a million. Each one here, you are one in a million. And it's very, very happy for me to see you. And it's very, very happy that you listen so well to the classes. And it makes me really, that's the best birthday that I can have. So as long as I can, I will keep coming here so I can eat more cake. Okay.
Happy birthday!
This one for you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. And this the first cue are all the December birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, are also on birthday. Yeah. Thank you.
12月份过生日的同学，
Can we have a birthday music and we sing the birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Thank you, Krishna. Yeah. And thank you. This is the cake from Japanese group. 我们日本团队的伙伴供养了这个蛋糕。Thank you, our Japanese group. Thank you, Sophie. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Azusa. Thank you, Totally. Totally. Thank you, all the Japanese group. Okay. Now we are doing our graduation ceremony. Please come back.
What's
Please
your
come
name?
back to your seat. Take your seat. And we will have a box if you have any offering for teachers. And we can do that.
好，请大家不要座位，我们马上要开始我们的毕业典礼。如果大家要给老师任何的供养的话，我们会为大家准备了一个盒子，大家可以把供养放在里面。
No tengo cámara.
Take your seat, please. Now get
Okay, yo tengo cámara. Hi, everyone. We are keep experiencing technical obstacles here, as you can see. We just finished cutting Geshe-la cake, and Geshe-la is leaving. Thank you so much for being here with us. The next session is gonna be part of the celebration of what happened here in person. You are more welcome to stay. And sorry for all the obstacles. This is a very extensive karma that we are producing here. Thank you so much for your patience.
请大家先后坐。Take your seat. Take your seat.
We will still have an event. We still
先
have
就
something
坐好
coming
吗？
up.
不要急着拍照。Okay, we are getting to close, but at this very moment, we should do something that really can, double or triple our good seed. So let's do a close ceremony, very short time, but very interesting way. Have you got a translator? 有吗？有哈。Team, would you please on the stage? Just few minutes. Yes. Okay. So we make these things happen on December here in Kyoto. It's because a lot of people support us. So now it's the moment that we can practice what? Gratitude. Yeah, thank you, Hector. Yeah. So it's time for us to gratitude. So firstly, let's thank our 5 houses, the most important person, team, the strong, all power. Yes.
I just want to say, I really think it's important to know that it's what's happening here is not about, we're going to be thanking a lot of people right now, and a lot of the teachers, but it's really about you. It's about what you do with these ideas. It's about how you make impact in your life. It's how you make those changes to be a kinder, more compassionate person in the world. And that's why we do this. And so we're going to do a whole lot of thank yous, and I'm very grateful for every one of the people who have helped make this possible. But for each one of you, we want you to go out and practice. We want you to go out and make those changes in your own heart. And that's the biggest gratitude you can give.
Yeah. Thank you, team.
And I'm also, like, I know she's thanking me, but I also want to thank this lovely being, Jasmine.
Thank you. Thank you. It's not only me.
Many years ago, our very first retreat in Thailand,
Yes.
I had no idea how to run an event until I met Jasmine. I mean, because I thought I knew what I was doing. And then Jasmine took ACI to the next level and brought us up to a place where we could handle a much larger audience and a much larger reach. And I remember asking her, I said, Jasmine, how do you do this? Like, what are the seeds for this? And we sat and talked about it. And I see how working with you has transformed the entire organization. So it's really your fault for how big we've gotten, how we've been able to expand, because you taught me how to do it. So thank you so much for everything you've done for us and continue to do for us.
Thank you, team. And also, no teachers know this beautiful teaching that nothing happens here. So let's give a warm applause to our great teachers group. Will teachers stand up and face students? Yeah. Okay, students, friends. Do you still remember the Chinese sentence? 你幸福了. Once more, 你幸福了. Thank you. 你幸福了. Yes. Take a seat. So, it's getting to our headquarters, head office, all the staff and volunteers here, because them that makes these things happen. A lot of details. I know my team is just in charge of the offline, but actually we have a very big group online, right?
Yeah, we have, not only do we have a team here that's making this possible, in the production in the back, we have, well, I'm not allowed to thank Worldview Productions anymore because last time we did that, everything broke. This is what they said to me, not what I'm saying. But the whole team, including the ACI team listed there, Ale, Pache, Laura, and Alona, Francisco, Christina, Sarah, we're also missing Anastasia as well. That group of people worked tirelessly, not only for this event, but they're also, well, yes.
Yeah, they're all there.
They're all
so will our students stand up? And gratitude. Yeah, thank them very much. Yeah, thank you. And one Chinese word, 你幸福了. 你幸福了. Yes.
But what they're also doing, which many of you don't know, is that they're also making this available online. We had over
350, I've heard.
Oh no, we had 1,600 people.
Oh yes, 1,600 people
And
online.
and they're also doing rebroadcasts all day long because of all the different time zones. So I'm not sure how they did it without sleeping, but this is a program that runs 24 hours a day for 5 or 6 days.
Yes, I've heard there's 350 volunteers
Oh.
to support this
And-
1,670.
Can you say it more?
Wait.
Say it one more time.
Okay, there are 350 volunteers online to support 700 students online. We want to honor them. Whoa! Let's honor them. Woo!感恩的心，感谢有你伴我一生，让我有勇气做我自己。Yes, that's gratitude heart.
Thank you.
That's a very popular Chinese song. Okay, beside all this hero, we have a Chinese group. We just have a very small staff group, but a very big volunteers group. There are 70% students here, they are also volunteers. So let's give all the students here, all the student plus volunteers here. And also give our China team a warm gratitude. 你幸福了，你幸福了，你幸福了。And especially, I would like Selena and Apple Tree on the stage. Please, they are the main organizer really for this project. I'm just the one that sit comfortable and see the happy things happen. They are. Yeah, please warm applause to them. 你幸福了，你幸福了。Okay, that's all for this part. Take a seat. And now it's getting interesting part. We're going to send them. We're now seeing a very interesting and beautiful video. Are you ready? Can I have a better...
Use this one.
Wait, yes. Okay, now it's a very exciting moment. Please enjoy what a beautiful time that we spent together for these few days. Louder. Can we start from very beginning again?
el hotel, ya estamos al
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty is the sky. Our solar system, but people don't buy. Let's get tricky, share nasty. Then how do you know? They're saying, I love you.
Está dormida.
Thanks to myself. What a wonderful I think to myself, what a wonderful
Voy a Black Magic.
March poster. So 明年3月份我们会继续 DW 的旅程，请和我们联系。So yes, so that's the next event, and we want to invite you all to come to Diamond Mountain or to Kuala Lumpur. And if it's not possible, you can join us online. We want to all of us be together and create a wonderful world. Thank you so much for being here. Yes. That's all for this day.
All of you, all friends here, have a good day. Have a good trip home. Thank you.
Welcome back. This is Katerina, and this moment marks the completion of the main in-person teaching program of this course. Let's be grateful in our hearts and in our minds to Geshe Michael Roach, to all teachers, to organization group. And now I invite you to take a quiet moment of some reflection. Please bring to mind one thing you are taking with you from this course. Maybe one insight, one feeling, or one intention. You may keep it in your heart, or if you wish, share it in the chat. Thank you for being part of this journey. And at the same time, the path continued through our online activities, including rebroadcast sessions and shared practice. If you'd like to share a question or a reflection from this course, a form will appear in the chat, and you're very welcome to use it. Please still stay connected with us. In about 2.5 hours, we warmly invite you to join the yoga session and continue practicing together. May the teaching we received support our lives and benefit many beings. Thank you for being here.